Are you broke at the end of every month? If you're nodding yes, don't worry. You're not alone. Millions of people work hard, earn a paycheck, and yet find themselves asking, where did all my money go? But here's the truth. It's not always about how much you earn. It's about how you manage it. And in today's video, I'm revealing 5 budgeting hacks you wish you knew earlier. Hacks that can literally change your financial life forever. Stay with me, because hack number 5 is the one that banks and marketers hope you'll never discover. Hack 1. The 50/30/20 rule that actually works. Most people have no idea where their money goes. But imagine this. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job before it even hits your account. That's the power of the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. Simple? Yes, but life-changing when you stick to it. Now, here's where most people fail. They treat their wants like needs. Netflix isn't a need. Eating out 5 times a week? Not a need. If you learn to distinguish between the two, you'll suddenly discover you have money left over. And let's be real. Do you really need 3 different streaming services just to rewatch the same sitcom? Probably not. Hack 2. Pay yourself first. Here's a painful truth. If you wait until the end of the month to save, you'll never save. Why? Because expenses expand to fill your income. So instead of treating savings like leftovers, treat it like rent, non-negotiable. The first bill you pay every month is to your future self. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account the moment your paycheck hits. You won't even feel the money leaving. And a year from now, you'll look at your account balance and thank yourself. It's like planting a money tree, except the earlier you plant it, the bigger it grows. Hack 3. The cash envelope trick. Digital payments are convenient, but they also trick your brain into spending more. Studies show we feel less pain swiping a card than handing over cash. Here's the hack. Withdraw cash, split it into envelopes labeled groceries, entertainment, shopping, and so on. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending. It sounds old-fashioned, but try it for 1 month. You'll be shocked at how much more mindful you become with your money. And hey, when was the last time you literally saw your money disappear in front of your eyes? That's accountability in action. Hack 4. The subscription purge. Here's a scary question. How many subscriptions are silently draining your bank account right now? Gym memberships you never use. Apps you forgot you installed. That free trial you swore you'd cancel but never did. These are financial vampires, sucking your wealth dry. Do a subscription audit today. Cancel everything you don't actively use. Then, add up how much you save per year. Spoiler alert. It's usually in the hundreds, sometimes even thousands. And here's the fun part. Redirect that money into investments or savings. Watching your portfolio grow feels way better than paying for an app you forgot existed. Hack 5. The 24-hour rule. Here's the hack that will protect you from impulse spending. The 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. If you still want it after a day, go ahead. But you'll be surprised. Most of the time, the urge vanishes. Impulse spending is how marketers get you. That flash sale, that limited time offer. It's designed to trigger your emotions. But when you pause, you shift the power back to yourself. Imagine saving thousands every year simply by waiting a day. And here's the cliffhanger. This same principle is the foundation of how the wealthy build their fortunes. They don't let emotions control their money. They let logic do the work. So there you have it. 5 powerful budgeting hacks you wish you knew earlier. Remember, financial freedom doesn't come from a lottery ticket or a miracle investment. It comes from mastering the small, daily decisions that compound over time. Now here's my challenge for you. Pick just one of these hacks and start today. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is right now. And before you go, if you really want to unlock the next level of financial freedom, you can't miss my video on credit cards explained for beginners. A credit card can either make you rich or trap you in debt. It's linked on the end screen right here.